Did you know that our body is a perfect system, but its delicate balance can be disrupted in an instant? Imagine a beautiful painting, where every tiny detail is meticulously placed to create perfection. But with just one wrong stroke, the entire masterpiece can collapse. That's exactly what happens when the pH balance in your body is thrown off. Most people don't realize that pH isn't just a dry, scientific number. It's the key to how your body functions every single day, whether you feel exhausted or energized, or how effectively you're able to combat serious illnesses like cancer, diabetes, or heart disease. The surprising part? The solution doesn't always lie in complex medications or treatments. It often starts with something as simple as your daily diet. Stay tuned, because in the next section, I'll uncover the unexpected ways food impacts your body's pH, how to recognize when your body is signaling trouble, and most importantly, how you can take control of it. 1. What is pH balance and why is it important? Have you ever heard of body pH and wondered what it really means? Imagine your body as a perfectly engineered machine, where every component is designed to work in harmony. But just like any machine, if one part malfunctions, the entire system can be severely impacted. In the human body, which is one of the most critical factors that maintain the stability and efficiency of the whole system. pH is a chemical scale used to measure how acidic or alkaline a solution is, ranging from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is considered neutral, while values below 7 are acidic and above 7 are alkaline. In the human body, pH is not just a number on paper. It reflects the chemical balance required to sustain vital functions. Each part of the body has its own ideal pH range. For instance, blood must maintain a pH between 7.35 and 7.45 to ensure all organs operate properly. If blood becomes too acidic or too alkaline, even a slight deviation can threaten life itself. Conversely, the stomach requires a highly acidic environment with a pH of 1.5 to 3.5 to digest food and kill harmful bacteria. This illustrates that pH is not a static concept, but a dynamic balance, constantly regulated by organs like the lungs, kidneys, and buffering systems in the blood. Maintaining the right pH helps the body function optimally, from metabolic processes to its ability to defend against diseases. Therefore, pH is not just a number. It is a defining factor for the overall health of the entire body system. pH balance is a core factor that allows the body to function smoothly and maintain overall health. When pH is at an ideal level, every system in the body can perform its functions optimally. First, pH balance plays a critical role in metabolism. Enzymes, which are the chemical machines that help the body convert food into energy, only work effectively in an environment with the appropriate pH. If pH is off, chemical reactions in the body slow down or come to a halt, leading to feelings of fatigue and reduced productivity. Second, pH balance is the foundation of a strong immune system. A body with an overly acidic environment becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and even cancer cells. Conversely, a balanced pH environment protects the body from harmful pathogens and enhances its natural healing abilities. Third, stable pH ensures that cells, the building blocks of the body, function properly. Cells require a stable chemical environment to carry out processes like metabolism, oxygen transport, and toxin elimination. If the environment becomes too acidic or too alkaline, cells lose their balance, leading to tissue damage and impaired organ function. Therefore, pH balance not only helps the body maintain energy and resilience, but is also the key to preserving life. Understanding and maintaining pH at an ideal level is how we support the body in achieving stability and long-term health. The human body is equipped with sophisticated mechanisms to maintain pH balance, ensuring that every system operates smoothly despite fluctuations caused by diet or environmental factors. First, the lungs play a vital role in regulating blood pH through respiration. When you breathe, your body expels carbon dioxide, CO2, an acid-forming compound in the blood. If the blood becomes too acidic, your breathing rate will increase to eliminate excess CO2, bringing pH back to a safe range. Conversely, if the blood becomes too alkaline, your breathing slows down to retain more CO2 and restore balance. Second, the kidneys serve as the body's chemical filter, responsible for removing hydrogen ions, H+, which are acidic, and reabsorbing bicarbonate ions, alkaline, to stabilize pH levels. The kidneys work continuously, adjusting the acid-alkaline concentration in urine to ensure blood remains unaffected. Finally, the chemical buffering system in the blood acts as an automatic mechanism that instantly neutralizes even the smallest changes in buffers like bicarbonate, and proteins absorb or release hydrogen ions to maintain blood pH within the narrow range of 7.35–7.45. These mechanisms work in close coordination to protect the body from pH fluctuations, creating the ideal environment for health and life. When the body's pH becomes imbalanced, it triggers a series of negative reactions that impact the entire system. If the body becomes overly acidic, a condition known as acidosis can develop, causing chronic fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, and a weakened immune system. Excess acidity disrupts the stable chemical environment, rendering enzymes ineffective and impairing cellular metabolism. This also creates a favorable environment for the growth of bacteria, fungi, and cancer cells, increasing the risk of serious chronic diseases. Conversely, if the body becomes too alkaline, a condition called alkalosis can occur, leading to symptoms such as nausea, muscle cramps, and seizures. An overly alkaline environment disrupts digestive functions, reduces nutrient absorption, and increases the risk of metabolic disorders. Both conditions force the body to overwork in its attempt to regulate pH, depleting energy and impairing the function of critical organs like the heart, kidneys, and lungs. pH imbalance is not a minor issue. It is a clear warning sign of compromised overall health that must be identified and addressed promptly. 2. How do foods affect the body's pH? Food doesn't just provide energy for the body. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining or disrupting pH balance. Many people think that food only affects weight or digestion, but in reality, every type of food you consume has an impact on your body's pH levels. This difference stems from how food is metabolized after digestion, rather than its initial taste or inherent properties. An unbalanced diet can increase acidity or overly alkalize the body, forcing your organs to work overtime to maintain equilibrium. First, it's essential to understand that foods are generally categorized into two groups: alkaline-forming and acid-forming, based on how they interact with the body after digestion. Alkaline-forming foods help neutralize acids in the body, supporting pH balance in the blood and cells. These foods are typically rich in minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which help protect the body from the harmful effects of bacteria, fungi, and abnormal cell growth. For example, leafy greens like kale, spinach, and celery are excellent alkaline-forming foods. Not only do they help neutralize acidity, but they also provide essential vitamins and fiber for overall health. A particularly interesting example is lemon. While it has a sour taste and is considered acidic externally, lemon becomes highly alkalizing after being metabolized in the body. This is why drinking lemon water is often recommended as a simple way to help balance pH and support digestive health. On the other hand, acid-forming foods are those that, when digested, produce an abundance of hydrogen ions, H+, in the body, increasing acidity in the blood and tissues. These include red meat, processed foods, refined sugars, and carbonated beverages. While widely consumed, these foods pose significant health risks. For instance, excessive consumption of red meat or processed foods not only increases acidity, but also contributes to issues such as inflammation, chronic fatigue, and a weakened immune system. Carbonated beverages, especially those high in sugar and preservatives, are among the leading causes of pH imbalance in many individuals. These drinks not only boost acidity levels, but also force the body to draw essential minerals from bones and teeth to neutralize the excess acid, leading to risks of osteoporosis and dental erosion. A common mistake many people make is judging food based solely on its initial taste. Not all foods with a sour taste produce acid in the body, and not all sweet-tasting foods are alkalizing. For example, both watermelon and lemon are alkalizing foods, even though watermelon is sweet and lemon is sour. Conversely, foods like white bread, which lacks an acidic flavor, create significant acidity in the body once metabolized. This underscores the importance of understanding how food interacts with the body's pH rather than relying on superficial impressions. That said, maintaining balance doesn't mean you have to completely eliminate acid-forming foods from your diet. The body requires both acid-forming and alkaline-forming foods to sustain equilibrium. The key lies in the ratio. An ideal diet consists of roughly 70–80% alkaline-forming foods and 20 to 30% acid-forming foods. This balance prevents the body from being overburdened in maintaining pH stability, while ensuring it receives all the nutrients necessary for optimal function. 3. Signs of pH imbalance and how to adjust it. The human body is an intricate machine, and when its pH balance is disrupted, it sends out warning signals through various symptoms. However, many people tend to overlook these signs, dismissing them as ordinary fatigue or stress. Understanding the signs of pH imbalance not only helps you detect the issue early, but also allows you to safeguard your long-term health. One of the earliest signs of pH imbalance is chronic fatigue. When the body becomes too acidic, cells are unable to produce energy efficiently, leading to feelings of sluggishness and low energy, even if you've had adequate rest. At the same time, your organs have to work harder to maintain balance, leaving you feeling drained. Another common symptom that often goes unnoticed is frequent headaches. Excess acidity in the blood and cells puts pressure on the nervous system and restricts blood flow to the brain, causing headaches or dizziness. Indigestion, bloating, or acid reflux are also common symptoms when the body becomes overly acidic. The stomach, which requires a highly acidic environment to properly digest food, can be disrupted when the body's pH is unbalanced, leading to an accumulation of acid in the digestive system. Additionally, you may notice your skin becoming dry, easily irritated, or prone to breakouts. This is the body's way of attempting to eliminate excess acid through sweat glands, which can strip the skin of its natural moisture and vitality. Adjusting the body when its pH is unbalanced isn't overly complicated, but it does require attention to diet and daily habits. First, focus on incorporating more alkaline-forming foods into your meals. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and celery are excellent choices for neutralizing acid. Low-sugar fruits like lemons, avocados, and watermelon also have similar effects, providing essential minerals that support the body. At the same time, it's important to limit acid-forming foods such as red meat, refined sugar, carbonated beverages, and processed foods, as they place significant strain on the body's ability to maintain pH balance. Beyond diet, lifestyle changes are equally important. Regular exercise, such as walking or yoga, not only improves blood circulation, but also helps reduce lactic acid buildup in muscles. Additionally, take time to relax and manage stress, as prolonged stress can increase acidity in the body. Practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises are effective ways to restore balance. Finally, staying hydrated, particularly by drinking alkaline water, helps flush out toxins and reduces the burden on your kidneys. ensuring your body remains in a balanced state. When I began exploring pH balance in the body, I realized it's not just a dry scientific concept. It's truly the key to maintaining health and daily energy. Looking back, many of the health issues we face, chronic fatigue, headaches, and even infections, often stem from pH imbalances that we unknowingly overlook. What amazes me most is how intelligently the body regulates pH every day, even while facing numerous challenges from modern diets and lifestyles. However, we can't let our bodies fight this battle on their own forever. I used to think that foods like red meat, sugary treats, or soda only affected weight. But in reality, they have a much deeper impact on the body's chemical balance. Since I've made changes to my diet, focusing on alkaline-forming foods like leafy greens, low-sugar fruits, and starting my mornings with lemon water, I've felt a noticeable boost in my energy levels. Symptoms like fatigue and discomfort have significantly diminished. The most important lesson I've learned is that even small, consistent changes can help the body maintain stability and long-term health. Achieving pH balance isn't something difficult or out of reach. It's within our grasp through everyday choices, what we eat, how we move, and how we manage stress. I hope you'll also experience the remarkable difference that comes from paying closer attention to this balance. If you've made it this far, I believe you genuinely care about your health and are ready to take action to improve it. Remember, achieving pH balance isn't something distant or complicated. It starts with small changes in your eating habits, lifestyle, and how you care for your body each day. If you found the information in today's video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to receive more valuable insights on health and maintaining a balanced diet. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. I'm so glad to have had the opportunity to share important insights about pH balance and how it can transform your health. If you'd like to learn more about building a healthy diet or natural ways to improve your well-being, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll uncover even more secrets about your body and health. Take care of yourself, and remember, good health starts with small but meaningful choices every day.